Welcome. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss few more questions and answers mostly of numerical types. First question. How much energy is consumed when a current of 5 amperes flows through the resistance of a heater having a resistance of 1000 ohms for 2 hours? Express your result in joules. So current is of 5 amperes. It is flowing through a resistance of a heater having a resistance of 100 ohms and time period is 2 hours, and you have to express the result in joules. Okay. Second question. In which of the following cases more electrical energy is consumed per hour? Number 1. A current of 1 ampere passes through a resistance of 300 ohms. Number 2. A current of 2 amperes passes through a resistance of 100 ohms. Question number 3. An electrical kettle of 2.2 kilowatt 200 volt works for 3 hours. Find the energy consumed and the current drawn. Question number 4. Which uses more energy? 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? Question number 5. Calculate the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. Number 1. A 6 volt battery in series with 1 and 2 ohm resistors. Number 2. A 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 and 2 ohm resistors. Okay. Now as usual, after I have finished reading these questions, that means which I have already done, this is what I want you to do. Okay, let me try to write using text. It looks better rather than handwriting. Okay. Maybe this is what you can do. First of all, you stop the video, rather you pause the video now. Okay. Then you try to solve these problems on your own. First you pause the video and then you solve the problems, or maybe you can go back few minutes so that all the questions are there in front of you. So read the questions, then solve these problems. Once you finished, then what you can do is you can restart this video from where you have left, and then you can compare your approach and your result with mine. So I hope you will be starting it now, and once you are done, then restart the video from here. Okay. So now I will be solving these problems. I may not be able to solve all the problems in this tutorial, in this video. Few of the remaining problems I will solve in the next video. So let me start with numerical problem number 1, where you have to calculate the energy consumed. Okay, let me draw a few fresh board. Okay, so we know the formula for energy is E equal to P multiplied by T, where P is the power and T is the time, that is time of usage. Now how to calculate P? Here we have the current flow and the resistance. Therefore I will use the formula P equal to I square into R. Now here current flow is 5 ampere, resistance is 100 ohm. Therefore P equal to 5 square multiplied by 100, which is equal to 2500 watt. This is the power of the electric heater, and total time of usage is 2 hours. T equal to 2 hours, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 60 into 60 seconds. Therefore we can calculate the energy. Value of P will be 2500, and for time we will be using 2 multiplied by 60 into 60. So if we now multiply all these things, we will get the total energy in joules. So this comes to 2500 multiplied by 2 it comes to 5000 multiplied by 3600. When we multiply all together, we get 18 followed by 6 zeros, which is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 7 joules. So this is the answer for the first numerical problem. Now let us solve the second problem. I will be talking a little bit fast here, so please listen to me carefully. But these problems are now all coming to be of the same type, so it will not be very difficult also. So here we have to find out which of these two uses more electrical energy per hour. So first one is first one is the case of a resistor through which 1 ampere current is flowing through 300 ohm resistance. So the first one is a current of 1 ampere passes through a resistance of 300 ohms. So we have to calculate how much energy is consumed in 1 hour. Now again the formula for energy equal to P into T, and formula for P or electric power equal to I square multiplied by R, because here I have the current and I have the resistance. So in the first case current flow is 1 ampere. So in place of P we will use current flow is 1 ampere, 1 square into R. R is 300 ohms, and time is 1 hour, because we are asked to calculate the energy consumption per hour. So this comes to, we will calculate later. In the second case the resistance is 2 ohm, so energy is E equal to 2 square, resistance is current flow is 2 ohm, resistance is 100 current flow is 2 ampere, resistance is 100 ohms, and time is 1 hour, which is 3600 seconds. So 2 square multiplied by 100 multiplied by 3600 comes to 1440000, and in the first place it is coming as 1080000. So definitely in the second case, where the current flow is 2 ampere and resistance is 100 ohm, the energy consumption is more. So more energy is consumed in the second case.